Here is our list of the top 5 best Sony phones you can get right now. The Xperia 10 Mark V is a mid-range smartphone designed for users who value battery life, display quality, and durability. It features a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 21:9 aspect ratio, offering vibrant visuals and HDR support. Powered by the Snapdragon 695 5G chipset, it comes with 6GB or 8GB RAM and 128GB expandable storage. The camera setup includes a 48-megapixel main sensor, 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and 8-megapixel telephoto, with an 8-megapixel front camera. Runs on Android 13 and a 5000 mAh battery ensures long-lasting use. It also features stereo speakers, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, and IP65 or IP68 water resistance, making it durable and user-friendly. The Xperia 1 Mark VI is a premium smartphone featuring a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate and sunlight vision for improved outdoor visibility. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, 12GB RAM, and 512GB expandable storage, it ensures high performance for gaming and multitasking. The triple camera system includes a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with continuous optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. A 5000 mAh battery supports 30-watt wired and wireless charging. It boasts high-resolution audio, a 3.5mm jack, stereo speakers, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and an IP68 rated durable build, making it ideal for multimedia and photography enthusiasts. The Xperia Pro I is a flagship smartphone designed for photography enthusiasts and professionals. It features a 6.5-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, powered by the Snapdragon 888 5G chipset with 12GB of RAM and 512GB expandable storage. The standout feature is its advanced camera system, including a 12-megapixel main sensor with a 1-inch exmor RS sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, 12-megapixel telephoto with an 8-megapixel front camera, Zeiss optics, and 4K video recording at up to 120 frames per second. Additional features include a 4500 mAh battery with 30-watt fast charging, stereo speakers, robust design with Gorilla Glass, and IP-rated durability. The Xperia 5 Mark V is a premium smartphone featuring a 6.1-inch OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 support, and Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 8GB or 12GB RAM, and 128GB expandable storage, it ensures smooth performance for gaming and multitasking. The dual camera setup includes a 48-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, complemented by a 12-megapixel front camera with 4K video recording. A 5000 mAh battery supports 30-watt wired, wireless, and reverse charging. It offers high-resolution audio, dual speakers, a 3.5mm jack, 5G connectivity, and an IP65 or IP68 rated durable build. The Xperia 1 Mark V is a flagship smartphone with a 6.5-inch 4K HDR OLED display featuring a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and 12GB RAM, it offers 256GB expandable storage. The triple camera system includes a 48-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel telephoto, and 12-megapixel ultra-wide, enhanced by the exmor T sensor for superior low-light performance. A 5000 mAh battery supports 30-watt wired, wireless, and reverse charging. It includes stereo speakers, a 3.5mm jack, 5G, and IP68 certification, making it ideal for multimedia enthusiasts and power users.